My three top strengths are honesty, forgiveness, and uh, kindness. um, I chose these three because, for the most part, I'm a pretty kind person. Um, I'm actually a very honest person. I don't like to go outside reality bounds. And forgiveness, I'm a very forgiving person, honestly. Um, the positive correlates that kind of resonate with me are I'm agreeable for the most part for forgiveness. I'm open to new experiences. I'm a very empathetic person for honesty and kindness. I I've always been able to overcome mental and physical health somehow. Don't know how I've done it. No, I was not surprised about any of the three character strengths that the survey identified as my strongest because I've always been this way. One way I use my signature strengths is honesty. I'm like I said, I'm a very honest person. I don't really navigate from I don't roll off the course of reality for the most part. For kindness or forgiveness, I forgive people for everything, for almost everything they've ever done to me, and for kindness, I'm just outwardly kind to like most people I meet. Um, how I might use these in a different way in my career is maybe getting a little bit more emotional stability under my belt by going out meeting new people and helping more people. Honesty. I guess I could. I would. I really don't know.